holiday season. Let's get ready and prepare 3 easy Christmas songs, which are Silent Night, We Wish You a Merry Christmas, and Jingle Bells. We will learn these 3 songs in the key of C major, Do major. Silent Night is 3/4. Each bar has only 3 beats. We start on D string, 3rd finger, Sol. Let's see the notes. Sol, La, Sol, Mi. All are on D string. We started with 3rd finger, La 4th finger, and Mi 1st finger. And we have 3 notes legato, 1 bow, 3 notes. We will play it 2 times. Then we go to A string, 3rd finger, Re, Re, Si, Do, Do, Sol, 3rd finger on D string. This Re, Re we will play on 1 bow, but separately, because there is a sign of tenuto on the 2nd Re, so we don't connect them completely. And now La, La, again with tenuto, Do, Si, La, Sol, La, Sol, Mi. We repeat this phrase 2 times. Re, Re, Fa, Re, Si. Fa is bekar on E string, so we will change the placement of 1st finger on A string to play Si. Okay? Fa is here and Si is here. Do, Mi. 3 beats Do and 3 beats Mi. Do, Sol, Mi. Do 2nd finger on A string, Sol and Mi, 3rd and 1st fingers on D string. Sol, Fa, Re. So the last note is 3 beats Do. And the next bar, 2 beats pause, and the 3rd beat will take us to We Wish You a Merry Christmas. It is upbeat Sol, 3rd finger on D string. And then we go to A string, Do, Re, Do, Si. Do 2nd finger, Re, Si. Do, Re, Do, Si. These notes we will play them in the middle of the bow, little strokes. Okay? Then 3 times La. Re, 3rd finger on A string. Re, Mi, Re, Do. Mi, 4th finger. Si, Sol, Sol. Si on A string, Sol on D string. Mi, Mi, Fa, Mi, Re. Do, La. 2nd finger on A string and then open A string. Now Sol, Sol on D string, 3rd finger, then go to A string, La, Re, Si, Do. So we played Do 2 beats and then up up bow and upbeat sol to take us to the second part of We Wish You a Merry Christmas. So up bow sol, do, si, do, si, la, sol. And again up bow, re, mi, re, do, sol, sol. The high sol on E string second finger, and we jump to D string third finger for the lower sol. Sol, sol, la, re, si, do. We play the first part again. And then the rhythm will change because we will play in 2 quarters. It means each bar has 2 beats. We will play Jingle Bells. We start down bow, mi, mi, mi 2 times. Second time we played up bow. Mi, sol, do, re, mi. Mi, sol on E string, do, re on A string. So be careful to play re short note because it's 16th note. And then fa, 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 mi, re, mi, re, sol. Fa, first finger on E string, mi, open E string. Then re on A string, third finger. Mi, we play fourth finger on A string. Re, sol. Sol is second finger on E string. So we will play this part 2 times. But the second time we finish it differently. Sol, sol, fa, re, do. And then we play second part. Sol, mi, re, do, sol. Sol, third finger on D string. The other notes are all on A string. Sol, mi, fourth finger. Re, third finger. Do, second finger. So the last note, sol, I played it 1 beat so I can change the bow and again start down bow like this. So I played the same phrase, only the last note I changed to la instead of sol. Again. The same way I changed the bow, la, fa, mi, re, si, la, fa, mi, re, si. Sol, sol, fa, re, mi. Again down bow. Sol on E string, second finger. So every phrase will start down bow. I will play this part completely. So we play again, but this time we finish it differently. Now la, fa, mi, re, sol, 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 sol. La, sol, fa, re, third finger on A string, do, sol. And then we play the first part again of Jingle Bells. Now let's play the medley from the start to the finish point. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!